with iStyle, and today I thought I would give you a look at my powder room for summer. I decided I wanted to spruce things up a bit in here and bring in some greenery, so that is what I have done. So we'll start over here on the shelves. And I wanted the powder room to have sort of a Zen or a Asian type vibe. Just something, I don't know, calm and soothing in a powder. So we are going to start with this shelf, and I wanted to bring some greenery in for summer. So I have this vase that I picked up from Joann. I love the design on it. And I have paired it with some faux plants that I picked up from Amazon. These are ferns, and the ones in the middle, it's called a deer fern or a stag fern, and it's because of the shape of the leaves, and it is actually a plant. And I can't have real plants in a bathroom because there is no natural light in here, so I decided to go with faux, and I absolutely love how this looks in the bathroom. And you know, I have to have a little bit of glam, so I have this glam mosaic star, and this I picked up last year. It is just a finial that I picked up from the at-home store. And of course, you always need to have a little smell good in your powder room. So I picked up this scent from the hotel collection, and it is, I think, Parisian. Forget the name, I'll have to look it up. Midnight in Paris, that's what it is. So I absolutely love that scent. And then I have paired it with a ceramic Buddha, and this is how the powder room is looking on this side. And I showed you guys a sneak peek of the powder room on this side. It was a nighttime view. A lot of you guys said it was too dark, but that was the reason for the video, because it was a nighttime view. But I decided to go ahead and add this faux bamboo tree. Absolutely. This planter came from Home Goods. It was $24.99. This bamboo tree came from Amazon. It was a little pricey at $99, but it is slim, and that's what I needed for this space, so I think it was worth it. Absolutely love it. Love it. It just gives me the vibe that I'm going for in the powder room. And of course, we also have our glam mirrors. They stay here all the time. And then you guys saw this DIY artwork that I did last year that is restoration hardware inspired, and I absolutely love how these turned out, and I decided to put them in my powder room. So yeah, this is how the powder room is looking for summer, and I absolutely love how it has come together. I also changed the light fixture in here. I picked this up from Amazon. So I will leave links for everything that I can in the description box down below. And this is how the sink is looking. So I hope this video has given you a little inspiration on how to decorate your powder room for summer. If so, and you have enjoyed today's content, please give the video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of my powder room for summer. I absolutely love the vibe that it's giving off, and I hope you guys do as well. So that is all I have for you today, my friends. I hope you have an awesome day, and I hope to see you in the next one.
It never gets me down. Me and my hometown, baby, we go way back. All the situations, circumstances, still we don't mind. Steady going on, I dance around the street lights. Hey,